Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Jasmy. Let's go! Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go down below, hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, if you can tap the like button, I'd really appreciate it. It is the best way to support the channel. Alright, Jasmy. Weekly time frame. We all know about the falling wedge that we broke out of. I actually moved my fib here, so I put it all the way to the top, pulled it down, and now we see the rejection is no longer at the 382, but at the 236. So we hit the 236, tried it again, came up with a lower high, fell down, formed this M pattern here, broke down from that. Did we actually meet our price target of the M pattern? Let's just see. Price target, not quite met, but basically. And yeah, so another thing that we've done is on the RSI, we have, let me make that a little bit clearer. So on the RSI, we have broken above. So when we broke out here, and now we are just finding, so we had resistance here on the RSI, you can see, broke above it, and now we're finding it as support. So that's a good sign as well. The trend directional down here looks like it really wants to go down a little bit further actually on the weekly. But we'll zoom in here in a minute, and actually let's do it right now. Volume is okay. It's not great. Daily time frames where we get a little bit clearer picture. So the RSI on the latest move here to bring us up to resistance. So basically we had the M pattern here, has a lot of support back here, over here, and I said that we're probably not going to break it on the first attempt here. We were in this rising channel here, and of course, 1, 2, 3 days, and then rejection, breakdown. And the momentum to the upside with the RSI was actually fairly weak. We only made it back to a retracement RSI level, which is right around that 60 level. And then we broke down from there. I'd really like to see Jasmy, if it's going to do anything, first off, it has to break through this resistance here. And then the RSI, I'd really like to see it to get into overbought levels, kind of like we did over here, and then we get a nicer move to the upside. Yeah, for right now, the momentum to the upside is kind of weak on the daily time frame. We did get the breakdown, and you can see from this fib that I put from the bottom to the top here, we are holding the 382 fib as support, which is a good sign. The more we hold the 382, the more bullish the move could be for the next one. So if we start moving to the upside here shortly, this next move could be the one that breaks us above this resistance here, which is at 0.004613 area. My first price target for Jasmy, if we do get above that, is going to bring us up to roughly around 006. I'll say 006 to 0065, because the 200 EMA on the daily time frame will start moving down, and so I don't know where it's going to be once Jasmy gets there, but the resistance will be at that 200 EMA on the daily time frame, whenever that is. Let's go down to the 12-hour time frame. You can see this channel a little bit clearer here. We hit the top, hit the bottom multiple times. Started to get weaker. Now, I did say back here in this area right here before the breakdown, if you watched my videos, before the breakdown, I was saying, okay, we're not getting enough momentum to the upside to get to the overbought level. We have a red dot on the trend directional, and you can clearly see that we hit the top here, couldn't reach the top with that cluster right there, and then we totally lost momentum right here, and we were hitting the line of massive resistance right here. So once we got to this resistance level here, in my video for Jasmy, I was saying, yeah, we're probably going to break down from there, and that's exactly what we did. So we broke down, and I am pleased to see that we're holding this 382 level, it does look like on the 12-hour time frame there's a lot of move to the downside still with the trend directional here, but let's zoom in a little bit more to see where we're at on the 4-hour time frame here. So the 4-hour time frame, volume is still kind of weak. We're not really forming anything here, but some kind of just sideways, channel right there. You can clearly see that. You've got where we kind of broke out here, fell down to the bottom of the channel, resistance at the middle of the channel, touched the bottom again, broke to the top side, came down, found support at the center of the channel, and now we're at the bottom of the channel again. So actually, if you're looking to do a trade, I mean, unless we're going to, I mean, we still could break down further, but this is the spot you want to do the trade at. We're at the bottom of this channel. We've already, you can clearly see that we're in this sideways channel. So you can get in, honestly, right now at this video, at the price of this video, and put your stop loss at the, I'd put it below this low over here, which is around the 0039 area. And then just possibly ride it to the top of the channel again, and take some profits up there. I mean, once from where we are currently right now to the top of this channel, you're looking at a 6.5% move. That's not bad. The RSI hasn't gotten into the oversold area, but it does look like on the 4-hour that we might be getting a green dot on the trend directional here. Let's zoom in even closer to the 1-hour, and you can see, yeah, so we've got a bullish divergence coming in on the 1-hour. I might take this trade, actually. So you've got the lower lows here, and then you've got the higher lows on the RSI here. So we've got the bullish divergence coming in. On the 1-hour, we're right at the bottom of this channel here, and it looks like the trend directional looks like it wants to curl over as well. Volume is kind of fading right here, which means that a move is about to come, most likely. Now, are we going to get to the top of the channel, or maybe just to the, I mean, honestly, I actually think we're probably going to hit, we'd probably come up, hit the center of the channel again, find some resistance, maybe bounce around right there for a little bit, and then break to the top of that channel. That would be the bullish scenario. Now, obviously, we can still break down from this, and so what you'd want to pay attention to for a breakdown is if the RSI cannot seem to get above the 50 level, first of all, and if it does get above the 50 level, can we get above that 60 level on the one, let's see, now I'm going to say on the 4-hour time frame. We need to get, let's go to the 4-hour time frame here. We need to get above the 50 and 60 level on the 4-hour time frame to get that clear move to the upside. But then by that time, it'd be too late for the trade anyways. But that's just for the momentum to the upside. But right now, we're just stuck in this sideways channel. The momentum is just sideways. You can see the RSI is just dancing around in the middle of my boxes here, not getting to the oversold or the overbought areas. And so, yeah, Jasmy looks like there could be potential short-term to the upside. But again, you know, in the larger scheme of things, if you look at go back to the daily time frame, there is still a chance that we fall down to a further support level here because, yeah, the RSI is just kind of stuck on a retracement level, which means, yeah, there could easily be a chance to come back down. But that's pretty much what I got for Jasmy. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.